Alright guys, you know onion rings, I know onion rings, but do you know them? Go ahead and fill in this part. Try and go as quick as possible for y'all. Here we go. And we have some sauce. Come back through with the cheese. Got some nice little slices we cut out for y'all. And we're just gonna put one slice in each ring. Finish this off. Grab them and just kind of slide them in there. And this is going in the freezer. Let's go. And we're just gonna place them in here until they're nice and hard, and we'll be right back to